What is up, everybody? Today, I'm gonna be teaching how to create a shirt in Roblox. But before we start the video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe. Let's start. Now, the first thing that we need to do is head over to Roblox. Then, when you're in Roblox, you need to head over to the create section. And as you can see right here. Then, once you're in create, head over to the creations tab. Then, select avatar items. Then, once you're in avatar items, click on classics. Then, select classic shirts. Then what we need to do is actually get the template for the shirts. To get that, just click on learn more. Then scroll down until you see the template. Now to save this template, just click on this text right here, shirt stores and arms. Then it will automatically download it. Then what you need to do is go to pixlr.com. This is where we're gonna edit the template. Then click on Pixlr editor. Then open the image that you just saved. Now, once the template is pasted in Pixlr, what we need to do is remove these colored boxes in the template. To delete that, make sure to select this tool, then select the parts where the boxes are shown. So let's say you want to remove this one, make sure to select it carefully first, then hit backspace. Then repeat the process on the other parts. There we go. Now we have the transparent template for the Roblox shirt. Now, what we need to do is actually find a design or a color for the shirt. But for me, I'm gonna add a design. Just search up anything on the internet. Let's say the t-shirt textures. Then just find one that you like. Let's say I want this one. Now you can go ahead and save an image, but I'm gonna click on copy. Then create a new layer. Then select image. Then select the shirt texture that you just saved or the t-shirt color that you just saved. And there you go. Now we have the texture for the shirt. Now, after that, you can go ahead and put some designs on it. Let's say I want to put a smiley face there. I don't know, anything that you like. Now, if you're satisfied with the design that you have, go ahead and click on File, then Save, then click on Save As. Then save your work. Then, once you're done, just hit on Upload Asset, then upload the picture that you just did. And there you go. Now, just go ahead and click on upload and your shirt will now be uploaded. I don't have Roblox currently, but if you have one, just click on upload and there you go. That's how you create a shirt in Roblox. Hope this video helps.